This Coldwell Banker Reehl Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Rhonda Issei. Step inside to find a thoughtfully designed floor plan with beautiful wood floors throughout the main living areas, complemented by wainscoting in the foyer and dining room. The living room boasts recessed lighting, surround sound stereo, large windows, and custom built-ins flanking a gas fireplace, creating a warm and inviting space. The chef's kitchen is a dream, featuring premium stone countertops, Thermador double oven, Bosch gas range, and large island with bar seating. Enjoy casual meals in the breakfast nook or host in the formal dining room. The primary suite includes tray ceilings, large windows, spacious walk-in closet, and private access to the back porch. The ensuite bath encompasses ample counter and storage space with private water closet, separate shower, and jetted tub to relax in after a long day. Working from home? Enjoy your own dedicated office space just off the primary that boasts plenty of storage to keep your productivity at an all-time high. This home also includes a versatile bonus room with an attached laundry area and a third bathroom, perfect for use as a playroom, guest suite, or home gym. Outdoor living is a breeze with a screened porch outfitted with ceiling fans, wired for surround sound, and an additional open patio plumbed for a natural gas grill. Bring the outdoors in via 2 sets of French doors in the living and playroom, or directly from the primary suite. The side entry 3-car garage with pull-down floored attic provides plenty of space for all your toys and a wide gate for easy access to the spacious fenced-in backyard. This property also includes pre-cut storm boards for added peace of mind. This one-level home features numerous upgrades, including 10 and 11 feet ceilings, a new fortified roof, 2021, HVAC system, 2023, Bosch dishwasher, 2024, electric tankless water heater, 2020, and replumbed water lines, 2017. Located in the desirable Summer Lake subdivision, this home combines timeless design, modern amenities, and thoughtful updates. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Issei at 251-990-6622.